Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best bathtubs for newborn babies, the napei Collapsible Baby Bathtub. If you're a parent or caregiver looking for a safe, convenient, and comfortable bathing solution for your little one, this might just be the perfect product for you. The napei Collapsible Baby Bathtub is designed to grow with your child, suitable for babies from newborn up to 36 months. It's crafted with high-quality, environmentally friendly materials, polypropylene and thermoplastic elastomer, which are non-toxic and safe for your baby's delicate skin. This ensures peace of mind while your baby enjoys bath time. One of the standout features of this bathtub is its foldable design. In just 3 simple steps, it collapses down to a slim 2 inches in thickness, making it incredibly easy to store, especially if you have limited space. Whether you're at home or traveling, this bathtub is portable and compact, which adds to its appeal for busy parents on the go. Safety is always a top priority when it comes to bathing infants, and the napei bathtub has you covered. It comes equipped with a built-in temperature sensor that allows you to monitor the water temperature in real time. This feature helps ensure the water is always just right, avoiding any risk of overheating or chilling, which is crucial for your baby's comfort and safety. Comfort is another key aspect of this bathtub. It features a soft spring cushion designed to protect your baby's spine by absorbing shocks, making the bath experience gentle and soothing. The cushion also floats on the water surface, which means your baby feels supported and relaxed, reducing fussiness during bath time. The bathtub includes a smart drainage hole that allows for quick and easy water release, preventing water from accumulating and helping maintain a clean and hygienic environment. This small but thoughtful design element makes cleaning and maintenance hassle-free. Adding to its convenience, the napei baby tub has detachable feet. When it's time to fold the tub, you simply remove the bridge in the center, take off the feet, and fold it flat. This thoughtful upgrade improves portability without compromising stability when in use. Measuring 23.6 inches in length, 16.5 inches in width, and 8.2 inches in height, the bathtub is spacious enough for growing babies while still being manageable for parents to handle. It supports babies up to about 31.8 pounds, covering a broad age and size range. Care is easy with this tub as well. Simply wipe it down with a damp cloth after use and dry it in a ventilated area. Avoid exposing it directly to the sun to preserve the material's quality over time. In summary, the napei Collapsible Baby Bathtub offers a thoughtful blend of safety, comfort, and practicality. From its foldable design to the temperature sensor and soft cushioning, it addresses many concerns that parents have when bathing their newborns and toddlers. Its portability and ease of storage make it a smart choice for families living in smaller spaces or those who travel frequently. If you're interested in a bathtub that grows with your child, is gentle on their body, and fits conveniently into your lifestyle, the napei Collapsible Baby Bathtub is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.